Novena prayers in honor of the Virgin Mary and going to Mass even on weekdays. My spiritual growth was further nurtured by my aunt.
In the street. In the evenings, I would serve as a jeepney conductor for local drivers.
Passion, and is employed in the Department of Education for 33 years. Nanggungis na dyan ko sa DepEd. And have been appointed as Education Program Supervisor in DepEd City of Naga Division since 2016.
I am Bernard Balmores of the Brotherhood of Christian Businessmen and Professionals, Naga Outreach. I was born in San Isidro Leyte. My family and friends call me Bernie. I am recently working as a lifestyle executive